Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to create a designation for an employee in Fresa application. Initially, you needed to log in to the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to Masters module. Here you can find designation menu. Click on it. So these are all the designation lists which all are created already in the system. If you want to create a new one, then click on create button at the top right side of the page. Here we have to provide the code, enter the name of the designation. If you want to provide any remarks, then you can write here. After giving all the details, click on save button. Now you can see that particular designation while creating employee in Fresa application. For that, go to HR module. There you can find employee master menu. Click on it. Now click on create button at the top of the page. Here you can find the designation which we have created in masters module. So this is how you can create a new designation for an employee in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.